Hey guys, this is Aditya, and we are meeting after a long time actually. And the thing is, we have got the Noise Fit Active device, the smartwatch with us. This is not a smartwatch, of course, a smart fitness band, of course, we can say. But the thing is, I'm gonna give you some reason why you should not purchase. If you're planning to get this watch on Flipkart, it is available right now at a price tag of around 3,499, and it was the introductory price, and it will be priced at around 3,999. However, you should not invest on this device, on this smartwatch actually, because I mean, let me show you. After unboxing the device, I got an update on this smartwatch, and after that particular update, and the smartwatch has become so much laggy for some reason. And the most important thing is the workout modes. You have lost, I mean, this smartwatch has lost all of this workout modes. I mean, let me show you. Check. This is only this normal workout mode, but it has, company claims that it has 14 workout or sports mode, whatever you say. But after the update, you have lost all the workout modes and you're left with only one workout mode. Now just check out the Noise Fit application that was provided by the brand. Once the application gets synchronized with the watch, check this out. The synchronization reaches 99% and the app will automatically close. Not only that, the application, we have checked that application with other 3 to 4 devices as well, and we have also tried to pair that with the smartwatch, but that's the same issue. The application just closes off, and I don't know why Noise has given this sort of update. I hope Noise is working on some sort of update, but for right now, these are the reasons why you should not, if you are planning to purchase this, you should not purchase the Noise Fit Active actually. So I hope you have got some information. If you did, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to TechnoDrift, and soon you're going to reach 1K. So thank you very much for your lovely support.